Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find password and security. Then let's scroll down and tap on advanced options and enter encryption credentials. And as you can see at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and then confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is currently inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.